The Automatic Needle Disconnect Unit, better known as the A&D, has changed the way needles are disposed of in blood collection procedures. Almost universally, phlebotomists agree that the A&D system of blood collection needle removal and disposal is the safest and most economical method available to them. No longer must phlebotomists resheath used needles, manually unwind blood collection needles, buy additional parts, or change blood drawing techniques. These methods complicate a simple disposal procedure, forcing the phlebotomist to use an open plastic container with needle removal slots cut into the top. These manual methods cause several problems. The outdated manual method requires the use of two hands performing an awkward, unnatural motion. Additionally, the large openings in these containers invite the disposal of bulk waste materials like cotton, gauze, and needle caps. All too often, this foreign material hides upturned needles, resulting in accidental needle sticks. The A&D requires only one hand to quickly and safely remove the blood collection needle. Simply insert the holder with the needle attached. Slightly twist to the left, then push downward with a slow, controlled motion. As you push down, completing the stroke, 3 distinct clicks will be heard. At this point, the needle is quickly and safely removed. The A&D accepts most lancets in the slotted opening on top, but most importantly, the A&D will not accept bulk waste material that can conceal upturned sharps. We've received thousands of positive comments about the improved safety in the laboratory resulting from the use of the A&D system. Phlebotomists and laboratory managers talk about several advantages. They endorse the A&D safety record in the laboratory environment, pointing out that accidental needle sticks have been reduced substantially. A major benefit resulting from this improved safety feature is economy. Since accidental needle sticks are significantly reduced, the high costs resulting from excessive needle sticks are eliminated. Overall laboratory costs drop measurably with the A&D system. Phlebotomists report that the blood drawing procedure is not only safer, but faster as well. Perhaps the most dangerous flaw of manual open-top disposal containers is overfilling. Let's look at how the A&D system automatically eliminates this problem. As you can see from this diagram, the A&D container is divided into 3 zones. First, the automatic zone. Next, the safety or neutral zone. And finally, the danger zone. The automatic zone houses the mechanical apparatus that automatically unwinds the used blood collection needle from the holder. When the container is filled, the mechanism locks in the down position and will not automatically unwind additional needles. The neutral zone serves a very significant dual function. First, it creates a safety area between the mechanism and the actual needle collection area, an additional safeguard that keeps the used needles remote from the phlebotomist. Secondly, this area provides the necessary space for the mechanical unwinder to completely release the full length of the needle into the bottom of the unit. Without the control lever operating in this neutral zone, overfilling would occur since used needles would fill beyond a dangerous level. Upon reaching full needle capacity, the A&D's patented control lever engages, locking the unit in the down position, preventing further automatic needle unwinding. Used needles are deposited in the danger zone. The contaminated needles are stored here, totally and safely removed from the user. The A&D unit is designed to safely, quickly, and conveniently dispose of approximately 200 blood collection needles of various sizes. A slotted opening is provided on top of the A&D unit for disposal of most lancets. Because the A&D does not accept extraneous waste such as needle caps, gauze, band-aids, etc., users report the A&D unit will outlast 3, 4, even 5 open-top containers. For final disposal of the filled unit, remove the cap from the side of the container and snap firmly onto the top. Once sealed, The A&D unit is both spill-proof and tamper-resistant, meeting all of OSHA's new guidelines. The A&D system comes to you completely assembled and ready for use. There are no parts to put together. There are no added parts to purchase. The A&D adapts easily to present phlebotomy trays. Personnel will be less likely to recap needles since removal is quick and simple. There are 3 A&D models available for each of the 3 leading blood collection needle manufacturers. Remember, when the automatic mechanism locks in the down position, discontinue use. The A&D will not automatically remove any more blood collection needles. Remove the top cover from the side of the unit and seal firmly for disposal of biohazardous waste. Do not attempt to bypass the automatic safety features of the unit. They are designed for your safety. Read and follow the operating instructions given on the side of the unit and the package insert to assure optimal performance and safety. With the fingertips, grasp the holder by the flanges. Slightly twist to the left, then slowly push to the end of the stroke. These 3 clicks will be heard. The 3rd click notifies the user the full downstroke cycle has been completed and the used blood collection needle has fallen safely into the container. This 3-click safety feature assures the user of a completed downstroke. Do not use the flat of the hand to operate the A&D unit. Always grasp the holder by the flanges, slightly twist to the left, and slowly push to the end of the stroke, making certain the needle has been safely deposited into the container. Remember, listen for the 3 clicks as you push down. Do not put the holder into the top A&D opening at an angle. Always insert the needle holder into the top of the A&D vertically, as perpendicular as possible. A raised ring has been incorporated into the A&D top to help insert the needle holder upright. During needle removal, do not place fingers on any part of the holder barrel. This prevents full unwinding of the needle. Notice, if fingers are placed on the holder barrel, a full downstroke is not possible. In the unlikely event the user did not complete the full downstroke, that is 3 clicks were not heard, a built-in safety feature securely holds the needle within the gearing zone away from the user. Do not attempt to bypass this safety feature by using fingers or other objects to complete the downstroke. Stop, cap the unit, and contact your supervisor. This situation will only occur if the full downstroke is not completed. Always make certain the A&D is stationary and secure when using. Always operate the A&D unit on a non-slip surface. We recommend using the A&D bracket. Occasionally, shake the A&D unit from side to side to maximize the volume of needles held within the unit. The post-automatic needle disconnect system offers several critical advantages. The Post A&D only accepts blood collection needles and most lancets and meets all of OSHA's standards. The container is not allowed to overfill. Used correctly, the A&D eliminates splashing, spraying, or spattering of blood with no change in blood drawing techniques. And with a service life of up to 5 times as long as its competitors, the Post A&D system substantially reduces disposal costs. There are no additional parts required to operate the A&D. The Post A&D system operates with standard blood collection needles and standard blood collection holders. You are not forced to purchase or carry special holders on an already overcrowded lab tray. The A&D system does not change your existing blood drawing techniques. The A&D's closed container eliminates spillage and requires no assembly. The entire A&D unit comes to you completely assembled and ready for use. The Post A&D system does not accept bulk waste, and even if overturned, the A&D's one-way valve virtually eliminates spillage. For unsurpassed safety and protection, The post-medical A&D system incorporates a patented safety zone, keeping the user as far away from contaminated sharps as possible. Most importantly, the A&D also automatically prevents overfilling, a major cause of accidental needle sticks. Unless your disposal system addresses overfilling, your overall safety is compromised, and a complete safety program is not possible. Remember, while the A&D unit is quick, easy, and economical to use, the most important feature is the safety and convenience the A&D system offers you and your personnel. We are also pleased to offer a complete line of sharps disposal systems for safe disposal of infectious waste. Our systems feature containers that are totally leak-tight when sealed. Not only the sides and bottom, but the entire container is leak-tight. OSHA requires that filled sharps containers not be allowed to leak during handling, storage, transport, or shipping. Our newest feature, a locking cap, will increase safety for everyone handling the filled containers. The locking top will help ensure fluids and contents remain inside the unit to help prevent contaminated spills. Our plastic containers can be housed in puncture-proof metal cabinets or used with a metal stand. The metal cabinets incorporate a view window that allows personnel to view the level of contents before dangerous overfilling occurs. The metal stand, generally used in non-patient areas, keeps the plastic inserts upright and ready for use. Our units utilize vertical syringe disposal, the safest method for sharps disposal. All safety engineers agree, minimum handling maximizes safety. This vertical drop system allows safe one-hand disposal of sharps. There are no doors to open or levers to pull. The vertical drop is natural and easy for personnel to use. The point of the needle is always away from the user. For more information, please contact your local distributor.